Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for health and wellness. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Begin by centering yourself with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment, and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Continue this deep, rhythmic breathing, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to soften and relax. Start with your feet and slowly move your focus up to your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, shoulders, neck, and head. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and grounded. Imagine a warm, healing light surrounding you. This light represents health, vitality, and well-being. Visualize it gently entering your body with each inhale and spreading throughout your entire being. Feel this light healing any areas of discomfort or illness, bringing a sense of renewal and strength. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. My body is healthy and strong. I am filled with vitality and energy. Every cell in my body is alive and well. I am in perfect health. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal and thrive. Feel the truth of these words resonating within you, enhancing your sense of health and wellness. take a moment to connect deeply with your body. Appreciate all the functions and processes that keep you alive and well. Feel gratitude for your heart, lungs, muscles, and every organ. Acknowledge any areas of your body that need extra care and send them loving, healing energy. Visualize yourself engaging in activities that promote your health and wellness. See yourself eating nutritious foods, exercising, resting, and practicing self-care. Feel the joy and satisfaction that comes from taking care of your body and mind. Embrace the sense of well-being that comes from these positive habits. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of health and wellness with you throughout your day. Remember that you have the power to support your well-being. Thank you for joining this meditation.